Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 6th subject science and chapter number 15, that is air around us. So dear students, we have already completed chapter 14. Hope so you all have understood and you all have completed your notes also. And this month it is already announced on the group that by this I think date is announced in the group. So on that date you have to submit your notebooks, classwork books where you have completed your notes. So let's start. As the chapter name is Air Around Us. Before that, a short slow. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Let's start. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा Once again, a warm good morning to all. So, moving further, as the topic name is air and we know we are very much familiar the word with the air, right? We all know we can't see the air, but we have felt, isn't it? We have noticed that it is present surrounded by us, right? And how could you able to feel that? By resting on the clothes. Fine, then pages of an open book begin fluttering, or when the leaves of the tree rustle. Okay, so by this way we can understand, we can feel that air is there. And what is the importance of air in our life? That is, I don't think so I have need to explain you. Though we can say air is the one of the most important resource which are necessary for all living organisms. So air is the most important factor not only for living creature but for each and everything. By completing any observation for the scientifically purpose or for the living purpose, if we are exist on this planet, the reason is that only air. If air is there, so we are there. So we can say moving air is called wind. Respiration or combustion of fuel gives energy for various purpose where air plays an important role. This thing we have already completed in chapter number 11, where respiration process we have completed अंडरस्टैंड है ना कि रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस हो और कंबंशन ऑफ फ्यूल हो, हमें ऑक्सीजन की नीड होती है. एयर है तो ही फ्यूल बर्न कर सकता है और रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो सकती है. सो नो नीड टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज़ द एयर, व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट रोल ऑफ एयर इन आवर लाइव्स. The thing that what is the properties in this chapter, we will deal with the properties of the air, mainly how air helpful for us and what are the properties for that air can move. Or so first property, as it is mentioned here, air is a mixture of various gases, right? See, in air there is not only oxygen. We can't say there is oxygen, that is why we can live. But along with the air, oxygen, there are so many gases, or we can say air is the combination of so many gases along with some other dust particles and other particles, isn't it? So first property, we can say that air is a mixture of various gases. And which are these gases? Later on we will discuss about it. Second property, if we talk about the air, that is, it is colorless and transparent. What is the second property? Air has no color and it is transparent, and that is the reason we can able to see to each other, to each and every object surrounded by us. Third property if we talk here, so air has sorry we can say air occupies space, है ना, space air ऑक्यूपाई करता है. इट फिल्स ऑल द स्पेस इन एम्प्टी कंटेनर. अगर आप एक रूम बंद करके अंदर पूरा टोटली लॉक करके बैठो तो भी वहाँ पे एयर होती है. दो इफ़ देयर इज़ नो वेंटिलेशन और देयर इज़ नो एनी विंडो बट एयर इज़ देयर. हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि एयर का अमाउंट कम हो. जब तक आपका डोर बंद है, जितना आपके सराउंड में एयर है वो आप ऑक्यूपाई करते जाते हैं. जब आपको लगता है जब एयर का अमाउंट ख़त्म होता है तब हमें फील होता है कि नहीं, कुछ अनकम्फर्ट फील होता है, रेस्टलेस फील होता है, तभी हम बोलते हैं नहीं भाई डोर और विंडोज़ ओपन करो. जनरली ये चीज़ हमने बहुत सारी क्राउड में भी फील की है ना, कि बहुत सारा अनकम्फर्टेबल लगता है. सो द रीज़न इज़ दैट ओनली कि जो ऑक्सीजन जो सराउंडेड हमारे गैसेस है, एयर है, वो हमारी बॉडी में जा रहा है. लेकिन ज़्यादा क्राउड होता है तो वो सब उन सब ऑब्वियस जितने सारे पर्सन्स होंगे उन सब में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है, तो हमें अनकम्फर्ट फील होता है, रेस्टलेस फील होता है. इजंट इट? सो वी कैन से एयर ऑक्यूपाइज space. It fills all the space in an empty container. Now the next thing which I am going to explain here, the moving air makes it possible for you to fly a kite. As I just now explained you, what is the wind? Wind is nothing, it is only moving air, or we can say moving air is called wind, right? Moving air is called wind. So due to this moving air, it is only possible to fly a kite. I think you all have remembered that in chapter number 5 we have talked about the separation of the substances, where we talked about winnowing. So winnowing process is only possible because of the एयर. एयर है तभी तो आपका विनोइंग प्रोसेस होगा, तभी तो आप सेपरेट कर पा रहे हो हाँ हैवियर पार्टिकल्स को लाइटर पार्टिकल से डिफ्रेंशिएट कर पा रहे हो, है ना. सो वी कैन से विनोइंग इज मोर इफेक्टिव इन मूविंग एयर. अगर एयर है तो आपका विनोइंग प्रोसेस ईजीली और सेफली कंप्लीट होता है. यू मे हैव नोटिस दैट ड्यूरिंग स्टॉर्म द विंड ब्लो एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड. इट मे इवन अपरूट ट्रीज एंड ब्लो ऑफ द rooftops, right? The next important thing which is mentioned here, figure 15.1 is given, that is there is the different types of firki, and we all are familiar with these type of firkis because in our childhood days we all have played with these firkis, isn't it? हम पता है हाथ में फिरकी लेके मूव करते थे, फिरकी स्टिक को पकड़ के और रन करते थे, और फिरकी जिस डायरेक्शन में एयर होती है उसी डायरेक्शन में वो राउंड मोशन में मूव करती थी, isn't it? So this is because of the again here एयर है हमारे सराउंड में तभी ये फिरकी मूव कर पा रही है ना. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इफ यू टॉक अबाउट, हियर इज गिवन अ वेदर कॉक एज इट इज given in this figure 15.3. what is that? That is a weather cock, and this is the cock by which we can understand, we can know the direction in which the air is moving at that place. सब मीन्स जिस प्लेस पे हम ये वेदर कॉक को प्लेस करते हैं, एट दैट प्लेस जिस डायरेक्शन में वेदर मूव करेगा दैट मीन्स उसी डायरेक्शन में एयर हमें समझ जानी है मूव कर रही है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वेदर कॉक बाय विच शोज द डायरेक्शन इन विच द एयर इज मूविंग एट दैट प्लेस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, that is importance of various component of air. As we all know, air is the mixture of different gases, right? So here first gas which is in मैक्सिमम अमाउंट, जो मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में हमारे एयर में मिक्स है, दैट इज नथिंग, दैट इज ओनली नाइट्रोजन. ओके, नाइट्रोजन का मैक्सिमम अमाउंट हमारे एयर में मिक्स है. एंड सेकेंड, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ऑन द सेकेंड नंबर प्लेस, वी कैन से दैट इज ऑक्सीजन. What is that? That is oxygen, as it is mentioned here. Nitrogen's amount, if we talk in our air, that is 78.11%. And if we talk about oxygen, the oxygen's amount in air, that is 20.95%. Clear? So maximum amount of these two gases are in our atmosphere, or we can say that is these are the two important gases which are already mixed in our air, and which those amount is maximum. So nitrogen does not support burning, है ना. हमें पता है nitrogen burning combustion of fuel, that is there is the only oxygen is needed, but nitrogen is the again important gas which hence fire can be brought under कंट्रोल. ये फायर कंट्रोल करने बर्निंग में हेल्पफुल नहीं होती, लेकिन हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में है, इसी के कारण हमारी फायर को हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. सो हियर वी कैन से नाइट्रोजन डज नॉट सपोर्ट बर्निंग, हेंस फायर कैन बी ब्रॉट अंडर control. And if we talk about second point, that is the oxygen. So oxygen is a vital for our life, very very important for to exist on this planet, for human being, for each and any living creature they all need air, है ना. और एयर में ऑक्सीजन होगा तो ही हम हेल्दी रह सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ वाइटल, इट इज़ प्लेइंग वाइटल रोल इन आवर लाइव्स, और टू लिव सेफली, to live healthy life, we need oxygen. It also helps in burning, as we talked here, that nitrogen is not needed that for combustion of the fuel, but it is the helpful for the to control the fire. But in the case of the oxygen is helpful in burning. If you want to if you want to burn any fuel, any type of fuel, we need oxygen. Without oxygen, burning of the fuel is not possible. Third gas, if we talk here, which is mixed in, which is mixed in the atmosphere, that is the carbon dioxide. Which is that is the CO2 in short form. We used to say oxygen O2, nitrogen for E, and carbon dioxide for CO2. So CO2 is mixed in our atmosphere, that is the percentage is 0.94%, right? Oxygen 20.95, nitrogen 78.11, and carbon dioxide's amount is mixed in air, that is 0.94. Not only carbon dioxide, along with water vapor and other gases, argon like helium, right? So these type of gases and other water vapor, then we can say dust particles of for all these things, for all these substance, that is the ratio in the air, that is 0.94%. So this is these are the components of air is set, right? इन सबको हम क्या कहेंगे? एयर के these all the components like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. And again, carbon dioxide is not necessary for human being, but it is very much important for plant life. Okay, plants हैं तो हम हैं, है ना. प्लांट्स हैं तभी तो हम जी रहे हैं, और वी आर लिविंग ड्यू टू द प्लांट्स, एंड प्लांट्स आर लिविंग cause of the CO2, cause of the carbon dioxide, because for the living of the plant, for the food of the plant, plants are depend on carbon dioxide, because what is the process is known as the food made by the plant, that is the photosynthesis. अब photosynthesis के लिए plants को क्या चाहिए? Carbon dioxide, and it does not support the combustion. And what is about the water vapor? Here we can say what is the water vapor? So we can see the presence of water vapor in air is important for water cycle in the नेचर का जो वाटर साइकिल है, जो हमारा रेन ड्रॉप फॉलिंग हो रहा है हमारे प्लेनेट पे, सो दैट इज़ द पॉसिबल ओनली ड्यू टू द वाटर वेपर दैट इज़ ऑलरेडी मिक्स इन द एयर. अगर वाटर वेपर एंड एयर इज द सॉरी रेन इज द मानसून इज द और वाटर साइकिल इज द डिपेंड ऑन वाटर वेपर्स अमाउंट. अगर वाटर वेपर अमाउंट ज़्यादा होगा तो उसी पे डिपेंड, या कम है तो उसी पे डिपेंड करता है कि हमारा रेन किस अमाउंट में फॉल हो रहा है. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट इज द स्मोक. Composition of gases and dust particles are known as smoke. Okay, what is the smoke? We can say composition of gases and dust particles will be known as smoke. So hope so you all have understood till here, right? So mainly if you asked in short type question answer, in very short type question answer, what are the components of the air? You can say nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other dust particles and some other gases. These are the components of the air. So in detail we will understand about all these concepts in detail later on. Before that we will do what are the uses of air. Okay, what are the uses of air? So here we can say air exert pressure, right? And air, how air works, how air exert pressure, for that we will again perform an activity. In next video lecture we will understand and we will discuss about how air exert pressure on objects. Second point, the uses of air, we can say motion of windmills, pine wheel are based on the pressure or force applied by the air on the blades of the fan. ठीक है, उस जो विंड मिल के फ़ैन के जो ब्लेड्स हैं उनका वो भी डिपेंड करती है कि एयर का कितना फोर्स है और एयर का कितना प्रेशर है. सो अगेन हियर वी कैन सी दिस इज द यूजेस ऑफ सेकेंड uses of air. Next thing, if we talk about the wind is used to rotate windmills. Okay, how it is working, let's see. See in this figure a windmill is seen, है ना. तो how wind is used to rotate windmills? Windmills are used for various purposes like pumping groundwater, producing electricity, on helping people sail boat, isn't it? So these are the main these many uses of the air by which we are very much familiar in our routine life. We are very much in touch, है ना. Air help to scatter the seeds and pollen of the flower in pollination. Chapter number 7 where we talked getting to know about plants, where we have already discussed how with the help of air we can scatter the seeds, or it is helpful for the of the pollen of the flowers, ना. How reproduction process completed in flowers, pollen of the flowers with the help of air. What is the role of the air in for that particular process? Next, air is used to inflate the tires of vehicles. हमें पता है vehicles के tires में क्या fill होता है, air ही तो fill होता है. That is why air is said that air occupies this space, isn't it? And next, if you say air is also used for winnowing, that is we have already learned about it in chapter number 5 where we talked about the separation of substance. Next, we cannot hear sound without air. Air है, see this thing we have noticed also. जितना हम हाइट पे निकलते जाते हैं ना, वहाँ पे हम जो जितना बोलते हैं हमारी आवाज़ फैलती है ना. तो रीज़न क्या है कि हम एयर है, अगर हमारे सराउंडिंग एयर है, एटमॉस्फेयर है, तो ही हम एक दूसरे की आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं. अगर हम स्पेस में जाएंगे तो हमें आवाज़ एक दूसरे की सुनाई नहीं दे सकती, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो एयर. एंड नेक्स्ट, बर्ड्स, इंसेक्ट एंड बैट्स कैन फ्लाई ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर. एयर है तभी सारे बर्ड्स हैं या इंसेक्ट हैं, मस्किटोज़ हैं, फ्लाई कर सकते हैं. विदाउट एयर दे वुड नॉट बी एबल टू फ्लाई. So till here, hope so you all have understood. In next video lecture, we will discuss about some experiment and the activity related properties of air. Till that, take care. Goodbye.